How to download Epic Game Stores on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get Epic Game Stores on your mobile phone. So let's just get started. Open up Google Chrome or any other web browser first. Once you open it up, all you have to do here is simply search for Epic Games APK. Hit enter and go to stores.epicgames.com and you'll be able to download the Epic Games APK from here. You can find the install on Android button or the install button at the top right. Tap on either one of those. Once you tap on it, it's going to start downloading the APK file to your device. So just wait for a bit. Now from here, you want to tap on download. I already have it, so I'll just download it again. And if you see it, you can tap on download it anyway and open the file. Tap on open and tap on install. And your Epic Games should be installing on your device. Wait for a bit, wait for this installation to complete. And once it's installed, you'll find an option to open the app up. I'll just tap on done and show you guys the app. Let me go over to my app drawer. And here I've got the Epic Games Store. Tap on it. You can easily log into your Epic Games account. Tap on get started. And you should be good to go. Just log into your account and you can download your favorite games. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.